Hello students, in this video I will show you how to use the resources provided with homework set number 12, 13 and 14 to answer the questions. Those resources are available to you using this link right here. So you're going to click on the link and download the Excel sheet. Those are ready Excel sheets that you're going to plug the information into and compute the appropriate item that you're looking for. So I'm going to click on here and it's going to download the page for me. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to enable the editing. You see this resource with homework number 12 is going to provide two things for you. The first tab or the first sheet is going to compute the margin of error. You need to plug in X bar, S and N, and you need to change the level of confidence. And then it's going also to compute the lower bound and upper bound for you automatically after you plug in these information. Next, it's going to compute the mean and the margin of error, given that you have the lower bound and the upper bound of the confidence interval. I'm not going to go into details in explaining how this is going to work, but you can play around with the sheet and see if it's working properly for you. I'm going to solve question number 10 from homework number 12 using the second sheet, which is find the sample size needed. All you need to plug in is the confidence level, and you need the standard deviation, the sample standard deviation given to you, and the error or the margin of error. And then this sheet is going to compute the sample size. This is the sample size computed, and then we're going to round it up. Remember, always we round up the sample size. So let me look at question number 10 really quick and plug in the numbers that I have from there. So this question says you want to obtain a sample to estimate a population mean. Based on previous evidence, you believe the population standard deviation is approximately 39.6. You would like to be 99% confident that your estimate is within 3 of the true population mean. How large of a sample size is required? So those numbers, the first number is the standard deviation. The second number is the confidence level. And the third number is the margin of error, because we need to be 99% confident that our estimate is within 3 true population, within 3 of the true population mean. So let me plug in these numbers into the sheet and compute the sample size required. First, I'm going to change this to 99. And the standard deviation, as you see here, it's 39.6. And the margin of error needed is 3. And then you click enter, and that should be the answer. And sure enough, that is the answer. I hope this video helped you use the Excel sheet provided for you. I encourage you to use it to save some time now that I know that you know the process of finding all of those numbers. I am not testing your ability to memorize formulas. So go ahead and use this sheet. I hope this is going to be helpful for you, and I will see you in a different video.